Hello, my dear friends. Today, we will thoroughly learn how to effectively add another language to the virtual keyboard on your Android mobile phones. So let's begin by simply opening the Google Play Store application as you usually would. 3, 2, 1, go. After that, we click in this spot. Next, we will carefully click in this specific spot and then proceed to type into the search box either Google Keyboard or more simply Gboard for the desired application. We click in this spot. After that, the app will appear for us. As you can clearly observe, we will proceed to click on this particular item. Following this action, you will be presented with two distinct options. You can either meticulously update the application if it is already installed and present on your mobile device, or alternatively, you can initiate the complete download and installation process for the application if it is not yet on your phone. If you don't mind, please, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. So right away we go back, then we click in this spot. After that, we will carefully press and hold in this specific spot. Then we will proceed to click on the language settings option. As you can clearly see, I have previously and successfully added the Arabic language to my preferences. We will then click precisely in this designated spot. Then you simply click right in this specific spot to effectively add a new keyboard, especially if your mobile phone is currently set in another language. It's important to carefully remember the precise locations and the distinct icons you'll ultimately need to navigate to. Here you can conveniently search for the particular language you genuinely wish to add to your keyboard, or alternatively, you have the option to search for it directly from this convenient spot. For instance, I will personally choose the widely used French language, as you can clearly and easily see displayed on the screen. So I will select the French language. Here you are presented with a clear option to carefully choose one of the available keyboard layouts. For example, I will personally decide to leave it on the current default setting, which is often the most common and recommended choice. After making that selection, I will then proceed to click on the Done button, which is conveniently located and accessible from this precise spot on the interface. So as you can clearly see, we have successfully added the French language option. I will now proceed to go back to the previous screen. After that, I press and hold in this spot. Now I will proceed to tap right here on the screen and then carefully choose the French language or alternatively the specific language that you have already added to your keyboard settings. If you have successfully reached this particular point in the process, please do not forget to thoroughly check out this very helpful list. The comprehensive playlist contains a wide variety of helpful tutorials. You'll undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides there that you'll truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.